Knowledge, know it. The pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. There are different types of pronouns. Personal pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, etc. Possessive pronouns: my, our, your, his, her, its, their, etc. Reflexive pronouns: myself, ourselves, yourself, etc. Emphasizing pronouns: I myself, she herself, he himself. Interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, etc. Demonstrative pronouns: this, these, that, those, etc. Relative pronouns: that, who, which, were, etc. Indefinite pronouns: many, any, few, no, none, some, others, all, etc. Knowledge, know it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.